Hello friends, welcome back to the another video of the article arc. Did you know that India's tiger population has increased by an incredible 30% over the last 2 decades? At a time when wildlife conservation is a global challenge, India has emerged as a success story in saving its national animal. But how did this happen? What steps were taken to achieve this remarkable feat? Let's dive into the fascinating journey of India's tiger conservation efforts. India's tiger population rose 30% over 2 decades. This article is written by Hemant C.S. A new study found that the tiger population in India had increased by 30% over the past 2 decades. The study, published in Science, was led by senior scientist Yadvendra Dev Jhala and colleagues. It explored the socio-ecological factors that had enabled tiger recovery and presence despite high human densities and economic challenges amid rapid urbanization. Meticulous balance. They found that the tiger population in India has increased by 30% over the past 2 decades. This demonstrates the remarkable success achieved through a meticulous balance of scientific strategies and a strategic blend of land sharing and land sparing. The National Center for Biological Science (NCBS) said. It added that despite harboring the highest human population residing in economically diverse regions, India has achieved significant success in conserving wildlife, even as global wildlife population have declined by 73%. Protected areas devoid of humans through land sparing have allowed sustenance of 85% of breeding populations. These source population facilitated through corridors and sustainable land use practices have enabled tigers to disperse and expand into multi-use forests. Tiger now coexist with over 66 million people, providing coexistence possible, said Mr. Jhala. Legislative framework. The study stated that India's tiger recovery has strengthened due to a strong legislative framework, including the Wildlife Protection Act, Forest Conservation Act, and the National Tiger Conservation Authority. Beyond ecological factors, economic prosperity and cultural values have influenced tiger presence, recovery, and colonization. Regions with lower depends on forest resources and better socio-economic conditions have witnessed higher tiger recolonization rates. Conversely, areas with high poverty and armed conflict, such as in Naxal affected parts of Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand, have experienced tiger decline. It added, while India's tiger recovery is an extraordinary achievement, challenges remain. Large tracts of potential tiger habitat, spanning 1,57,000 square kilometers, are still devoid of tigers due to socio-political instability and habitat degradation, it said. As per government data released on July 26, 2024, India is home to 70% of the world's wild tiger population. As per this data, the tiger population in 2006 was 1,411. It increased to 1,706 in 2010 and to 2,226 in 2024. In 2018, the tiger population was 2,967. Thank you and Jai Hind.